Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, promotions, and giveaways. As more and more Jamaicans are securing their cruises through Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we now take the time to offer some cruise tips to make the best of your holiday. A cruise offers the advantage of a luxury hotel that takes you from one place to another for one upfront price. You're now able to cover the cost of meals at grills, buffets, dining outlets, and a la carte restaurants. Mass market cruises such as Norwegian, Carnival, Royal Caribbean, MSC, and Princess Cruises all offer numerous meal outlets across their fleet. Each one offers high-end restaurants with 3 to 5 course meals. These are paired with wines for a mere service charge. I advise that there be room in your travel budget for an elegant dining experience in one of the specialty restaurants. Room service is also a great benefit to take advantage of. On occasion, there may be a surcharge for delivery of your meals, so do confirm this before completing your order. The crew of cruise ships depend on tips to supplement their earnings, and as such, there is a per-person gratuity that is added to your onboard credit at setup, and this is calculated per person per day at an established rate. Do ensure that you have either funds on a credit or debit card or cash to take care of this at the time of check-in for your cruise. During this season, which we call wave season, all cruise lines have been offering many perks, with some including free onboard credit and free gratuity. Now is the best time to book and to take advantage of these money-saving offers. Another great offer is that of reduced deposit. Who doesn't like paying less? So, instead of paying US $200 deposit per person on our Emancipendence sailing for August 5th, we currently ask that you pay only US $49 per person. An amazing saving. A great benefit of booking a cruise is the fact that you may book between 18 to 24 months prior to the sail date. This allows the opportunity to make manageable installments on your dream cruise. Future cruisers need to be aware that they are responsible for travel documentation, and these need to be completed prior to your trip. The first and most important document is a valid passport. Your passport is a legal document and should not be wrinkled or soiled. If the passport looks damaged, even if it is still valid, you may be denied access to travel. Passports for cruisers must expire no sooner than 6 months after the completion of the travel. Visas are very important for cruisers, and it is important especially when your cruise starts and ends or touches several ports in that particular country. A multiple entry visa will be required if it is not visible in the passport, or if that visa in your passport is not visible, your trip may come to an abrupt end, as you may be denied boarding at the port and your funds will not be refunded. There's so much more tips that we are excited to share, and so we look forward to you joining us tomorrow as we continue to make your cruise plans a reality. We plan to make you cruise ready because, as you know, here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, it's all about the fun. Ciao for now.
Give the perfect Valentine's gift to that special someone and enjoy it together. The Love and Harmony Cruise. Sail away from Miami to beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. On Monday, February 27th to Friday, March 3rd. That's 5 days and 4 nights of continuous island vibes with live performances by reggae great Paris Hammond.
We never get tired.
The Grammy Award-winning Sharon, Reggae Ambassadors Third World, Queen Ifrica, Elephant Man, Iway, and just added Dexter Dapp, Sad Chance, along with Lush, Edwin Yearwood, Wayne Wonder, Iway, and the Caribbean comedy king Major High. It's a 5-day, 4-night non-stop party cruise. Monday, February 27th through Friday, March 3rd, aboard the Norwegian Pearl with the big sound like Stone Love, King Waggy T, Massive B, Road International, and more. Only a few cabins left, so get yours now at loveandharmonycruise.com or call 1-800-225-8757. Book your cabin from Jamaica by calling Funtastic Travel at 527-4098.